What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Now, I'm kind of between a rock and a hard place because boy, do I like meme coins, right? I like the idea of seeing things grow, but I don't like the end result of what meme coins are. We all know that meme coins really don't hold any fundamental, any real world value that can lead to long term sustainable growth. When you think of something like an XRP or a Ethereum or Bitcoin or something that has some sort of utility, you don't compare that with a Shiba Inu. You don't compare that with a Pepe. It's like, yes, you have the community, you have the growth, and you're going to see some major movement in popular times in markets that are running, but you're not going to see sustainable growth for the next 5 to 10 years. It's just not going to happen that way. With certain meme coins, you may see a little bit more consistent growth because they started really the trend of meme coins and they will always be relevant. But when you have meme coins that are created new and that are not the OGs of the meme coin space, you're not going to see that stay. You're going to see it fall, and then a new meme coin is going to come up, and you're just going to see that circulation of newer meme coins that are coming in. These Trump meme coins, honestly, aren't it. The way people are looking at them and talking about them, it's just not what I was thinking of when I was talking about the Trump meme coins, right? I'm not talking about people holding this for 10 years. I'm not talking about people looking at this as if it's going to be the next XRP. Like, the mindset behind creating these coins is not something that honestly should come from the presidency, should come from that higher official, the person that oversees these laws, appoints people that can create or can fight for rights of cryptocurrencies and companies and all that stuff, right? You're appointing these people that could do so much for regulation and a lot of other things. It really, I don't know, it just rubs me the wrong way because I don't think that they should be creating meme coins. Yes, I know it shows that you support cryptocurrency and you're bringing more money into the cryptocurrency market by seeing billions of dollars that are flowing through it. Like, we're talking about not just single digit billions, we're talking about multiple tens of billions of dollars. Like, compared to an Ethereum or Bitcoin or XRP, you're seeing those levels of numbers in an official Trump meme coin, multiple Trump meme coins. So I want to talk about the official Trump. I want to talk about official Melania meme coin as well, and just have a conversation about it because again, it rubs me the wrong way. I've seen many videos where they were talking about it, and I even posted a video talking about how the Trump coins are going insane and Trump meme coins are making some moves. But I don't want it to be rubbed the wrong way. I don't want it to be taken the wrong way because I don't mean that you should be looking at it as ridiculous sustainable growth. Crypto market is player versus player, and we'll talk about that as we go into it. So guys, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out my links down below for Patreon and Twitter. And if you guys want to check out my link for BTCC, that link is down below where you can leverage trade cryptocurrency, some of the more utility-based cryptocurrencies. You can leverage trade those for the long term, as well as some of the quicker short-term plays that you can make a decent amount of money on with a 5x leverage or 10x leverage. You can trade all the way up to a 500x leverage on this platform, as well as if you guys want to sign up with my link, you'll get a 10% deposit bonus as well as extra bonuses up to $10,000 plus and 40% lower trading fees. So feel free to check out my link. It's in the description at the top of the description if you're interested. Now, again, yesterday I put out a video talking about the Trump meme coins are going insane. And I don't want it to get, I don't want everybody to look at me saying, hey, these are not it, and then go back to that video and go, well, what are you talking about here? It's two different topics, right? The way people are talking about the Trump coins now, I hear people that are like, oh, we're going to make a ton out of this, but we're also going to keep it in there for sustainable long-term growth and they wait until this gets to the level of Bitcoin. You got to understand that meme coins and utility coins are completely different. We cannot look at them the same. We're comparing apples to oranges here. Honestly, we're comparing apples to grapes or raisins, right? Because what's going to happen is those grapes are going to get dried up. Those meme coins are going to get dried up, and then they're going to become raisins, which raisins aren't that bad. You know, Raisin Bran is delicious. But the problem is that you have, I'm not going to just keep going with this grape and raisin thing, but still, like you know that it's going to be difficult to see long-term growth in something like that. It's better to see long-term growth in something that does have utility. So when we go into meme coins, we're going to see that within a couple of days, right? You had Trump official that I believe was a few days ago, like 3 days ago or something like that. And it's currently at a $10.8 billion market cap. In the last 24 hours, we had 44, almost $45 billion that has gone through Trump official coin. That's crazy to say that this has gone in 7 days, 732%. At the highest point, I believe it was at like a 70, correct me if I'm wrong, it was like a $70 price or something, $80 price. But now it's down about 25% in the last 24 hours. That's something you're going to see in meme coins, right? You won't necessarily see it crazy in utility coins. Even though crypto is a speculative market, you're going to see things that decrease a lot more. You're seeing this fall down a lot, and the reason that you're seeing this fall down a little bit more than what you saw in the past is because many people are trying to get into this next Trump meme coin, right? Official Melania meme coin that's currently at about $10, and we're seeing it at a 1.8, almost $1.9 billion market cap, with $5 billion is going through this as well, with only 200 million in circulation. Understand that each one of these has their holders, their insiders, their developers, right, that have a certain amount of coins, and you have an unlock period with those. You're going to be able to, or they're going to be able to sell these at a certain time period. I believe you have a 30-day. I just watched a CoffeeZilla video, and I believe it's somewhere around a 30-day unlock period, meaning that within 30 days they can decide to start to sell them. And I don't know the unlock, how many are going to be unlocked within the first day, or if all going to be unlocked, and then you have access to 1 billion coins, bringing the market cap down or bringing the price down, keeping the market cap the same. That could be the case, or bringing both down, right? You're adding the supply, keeping or seeing the market cap drop down, but you're also going to see the price drop down significantly more, because if the market cap is dropping down, if the circulating supply was the same, the price is also dropping down, right? However, if you're adding more to the supply, the price is dropping down a lot more than what it would if the market cap was just dropping down a regular amount. Does that make sense? So either way, dilution does happen within this coin. It does happen within the other coins. Now, I'm no way trying to talk people out of doing whatever they want to do in the crypto market. I don't want you guys to do that. I don't want you to say, oh, well, Matt's for meme coins here, but not for meme coins here. I'm for meme coins. I'm for people having success in the meme coin market, but know that crypto is player versus player, especially in meme coins. It's about player versus player. With utility coins, you at least have institutions and ETFs and various use cases that are involved in that, right? If you have the ability to use those coins, that takes away from people just selling it because they want gains, right? But for meme coins, that's all it's about. All it's ever been about are gains. So if that's all it's about, when somebody sees their account go from $100,000 to $1 million, they're going to sell a decent portion of that, if not all of it, meaning that the other people that bought on the way up are going to then lose because that person sold a massive amount of what they had. And not to mention, we don't even have those coins unlocked yet. So when the coins are unlocked, now you're going to have people that truly see the value in where it is, or see the value in what they hold. And they're going to be like, look, we're selling this immediately. And how much effort did they put into it? Now, the reason why I'm making this video, I know this is a long way of getting into it because, we're 9 minutes in, almost 10 minutes in. I feel as though a coin, a cryptocurrency that truly is pro-crypto, a president that's pro-crypto, I feel as though you should be launching something that you believe has more utility in the world. rather than just, hey, this is a meme coin, buy it up. We want to see this get to a heck of a high price, and I want to be holding 10%, and I'm going to have 10% of $10 billion market cap is now $1 billion, and you could sell all of that, and now somebody is officially a billionaire or has another $1 billion on top of it because they wanted to make money during that time, right? They wanted to make a massive amount of money, life-changing money, even though they're in the highest seat that you could possibly have in the U.S., being a president. It should be about creating utility, creating a use for this cryptocurrency. But no, it's not about that. And that's something that really, really rubs me the wrong way, because this is not coming from a random person. I honestly didn't know all the details because I've been kind of distant. I try to stay distant from the crypto market, especially when I have a lot of things going on with my family during the weekend. But this is absolutely insane to see officially coming from a United States president, the family, the first lady, the Trump family. It's something that, I don't know, doesn't feel great. If it was an official coin that has utility, I would be all for it, because it's something that's showing that you believe in cryptocurrency. But then again, it's showing me that you believe in the meme and popularity side of cryptocurrency rather than the actual use of that cryptocurrency. No offense to people that, love Trump, that voted for Trump, that, no offense to anybody that believes in everything that he is doing. I'm not a person that will believe in everything that everybody is doing. I don't care if my own mother does something. I'm not going to sit here and be like, oh, I support what you're doing. I want to know what you did. I want to know the bad, the good. I want to see what outweighs, each other. And then I will give my opinion. I don't care who you are in this world. It could be me, right? I'm looking at it with the glass half full and half empty at the same time. So anyways, that's just the way I feel about it. Again, we can continue to go about this, but and go back and forth. But I want to know what you guys think about it. Is it right for a president to launch a meme coin, or rather than launch something that they believe is going to be usable heavily in this world? And maybe as we get we go down the line, they'll say this is what Trump official's coin is going to be used for. I don't know, but it doesn't seem like there's a lot of thought and effort put into this. It was like the minimal effort to gain billions of dollars. So I don't know. I don't want the highest seat in the land to become a something for, I don't know, a criminal, because if it's compared to the Haktua girl and her coin, this is something that I don't want to see for the highest seat in the land of our country, right? I don't know. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. We'll continue to talk about cryptocurrencies. We'll continue to cover this if you guys want me to, and we'll go into more detail about different information behind it if you want to. But this is kind of just a first video to introduce this, at least, to my channel, which you probably already knew about it. But hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you guys want to check out the links for BTCC and Twitter and Patreon, those links are in the description. I'm going to get out of here. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.